Bismillah, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Rabbi shrah li sadri wa yassir li amri wahlul 'uqdatam min lisani yafqahu qawli. Hello everyone, good morning. I hope you all doing great today because we're gonna be learning something new, something will make you interested with mathematics. So, have you ever gone to do shopping in mall like Ramayana or Matahari, and you see that in that store you have a pair of shoes which is you really like, and there is a massive discount happen there. Okay, now imagine the shoes that you like, you want to buy it, and the store give you a 25% off for the price, and also because this is your lucky day, the store also give you a voucher 50,000 cuts from the price. Now, when you go to cashier, something strange happen. This may never be experienced before by you, but this is what happened. So the cashier asks you, sir or madam, which discount you want to apply first? Is it the 25% off discount, or is it the voucher 50,000? Now, here's the question. Is it really important to choose which one first? The 25% off discount or the voucher 50,000? Nah, this shopping dilemma that we are going to solve today and the specific topic related to this problem we call the composite function. So stay with me. But before we talk about that, let's go back a little bit and memorize the topic about function. But I'm going to explain to you in a simple way. So the function actually is just like a machine, okay? So you have an input, you have machine, which is process the input. I mean, it's like the raw material, and then there will be an output, which is in mathematics we call it the fx, right? Now, what happened if in the factory, actually there are two machines there. So let's just call it the machine G and then the machine F. So when we use these two machines, material will be put into the machine G first, and then the second will be the machine F, or the machine F first and then the G in the second. Now, like I said before, the raw material we have the machine. In this case, the machine G will become the first machine, and then the output is Gx, and then we put it again into the machine F, and then the output is actually what we call the composite function, which is, so this is how we say it, the f of g of x. Okay, so this is the composite function. Very simple, right? Now, let's go back into our shopping dilemma. So in here, before we apply this concept, remember, every daily problem, you need to change that into the mathematical model. So in our case, we have the diskon, and then we have the voucher. So let's start with the diskon first. Okay, so we're gonna need to make the mathematical model for diskon function here. Now, we know that the store give 25% off for the shoes, right? It means that we only pay 25% from the price, okay? Now, it means that the final price would be 0.75. So this will make you more easier to find the final result, okay? This is the decimal form from the percent, multiply by the original price of the shoes. So let's say the x. Now we can say that the function of discount function will be dx, the consists of discount, equal to 0.75x. Okay, so this is our first function. Now let's go into the voucher function. So the voucher function, this one is more easier because we just subtract 50,000 from the price. So let's call it phi x equal to x minus 50,000. Okay, so this is our voucher function and this is our discount function. Now we save this, we're gonna use this into our composite function. Now, in our shopping dilemma, there are two conditions that we need to solve. First, let's just say condition one, which is we're gonna use two steps. We're gonna try to apply the voucher first. So let's do it. The step one will be the voucher first. Okay. So remember our function for the voucher, fx, right, equal to uh, x minus 50,000, right? Now we substitute our original price, which is 200,000, okay, like this, equal to x, of course, 200,000 minus 50,000. Now the result is 150,000. Okay, this is the output from the first machine, which is the voucher machine. Now, step two, we're gonna put it into our second machine, which is the discount. Okay, so remember our discount function, dx equals to 0,75x. So now let's use 150, okay, the output from the first machine, of course. Now we do not use 200,000 again, okay. So the x, oh sorry, how to remove this, the 200,000, okay, equal to 0,75x, 75 multiplied with 200,000. Okay, now the result will be 112,500. Okay, this is the result. So in the first condition, we're gonna pay 112,500 for the shoes. Now let's see what if we change the order. We apply the discount first. So let's call it the condition B. Okay, step one, we're gonna use the discount first. So I'm gonna just write here directly. Okay, so it's gonna be d 200,000 equal to 0,75 multiplied with 200,000. Then the result will be 150,000. So this is the result. Now let's go into the step two, which is we're gonna apply the voucher. Now in here we use 150. Okay, so the fee 150,000 equal to, remember we subtract 50,000 from 150. Now the result will be 100. Okay, look. There will be a difference between the condition A and the condition B. So if we see here, the difference is 12,500. So by using the condition B, which is we apply the discount first, we're gonna save our money about 12,500, right? So as a smart shopper, of course, we're gonna say to the cashier that, oh, I want to use my discount first, and then I'm gonna use my voucher. So it's gonna save you more money. Okay. Any questions so far? If you have, do not hesitate to ask me. Okay. So as the conclusion, composite function. So the function f of g of x, it's not always equal to, in general, okay? Maybe you find a question has the same answer, but in general, okay, it's not the same. It's not equal to g of f of x. Okay. Also, we prove that composite function it's not always a commutative. Okay. I think that's it for today, students. And remember that mathematics, it's not just about memorizing formulas on whiteboard. It's a powerful tool to model real world, building logical algorithms, and yes, even save you money when shopping at the mall. For me, if we always try to train ourselves to see the invisible math in our daily activity, in our daily lives, we won't be just passing the exam in school, but also it will become a really powerful tool to make us become a critical thinker and a problem solver for the future. So, thank you everyone for joining the class today and for your participation. And keep exploring, keep questioning, and I will see you on the next lesson. Okay, goodbye. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.